Hi, my name is Ethan. I'm a social media expert and today I want to introduce you to the TikTok Insiders. Is it really the world's leading TikTok marketing community and does it deliver as much result as it promises? Well, I will tell you in detail, but before anything, I want to warn you that this video contains valuable information and two very important alerts. The first alert: if you are interested in this product, purchase only through the official website, which is the one that is appearing on your screen. Well, about TikTok Insiders, this really is not just another generic online course. It's a cutting-edge training program, carefully designed to get massive results. It's a hyper-engaging online community with unlimited access to the TikTok Trends database, a growing library of video lessons with valuable instruction, monthly live coaching calls where we share the most profitable new strategies, and hire or apply for exclusive job opportunities with the TikTok Talent database. This is the only TikTok ad coaching program that guarantees more profitable TikTok ads within 24 hours of joining or your money back. See what you, the marketing person, will learn as part of the TikTok Insiders. You'll learn how to quickly scale winning ads without the CPA going up, learn what trends, sounds and effects to use in your creative. Already on day one, you'll learn how to set up your first campaign, stay on top of the latest developments in algorithms and ad platforms to stay ahead of the competition, and much more. Look what you'll get for free. Bonus. Monthly group coaching calls, you'll save $2,997 per year. New courses every few months, you'll save $997 per course. Months of useless spending, with ads trying to learn on your own, you will save $10,000 or more. An unqualified agency that probably has no idea what it is doing, you will save $5,000 per month. In the year, you will save a total of $18,994. These bonuses alone pays a lot more than the course itself. Notice on your screen, there are two plans. You choose which one suits you and your company best. On this screen you get a complete overview of the program. Very complete, isn't it? Now, here are some testimonials.
And the TikTok Ads Masterclass, as well as the TikTok Insiders Group, has been super beneficial for me and my team. We're still learning, we still have a long way to go, but we've definitely gotten a really quick start on our journey running TikTok ads with Max and his courses and his group as well. We've had a couple of campaigns where we've seen positive ROAS, and we're starting to make a lot of progress there. And definitely without the insights and help that we've gotten from the masterclass and from the Insiders Group, there's no way we would have been able to move this quickly. So myself and my team, we look forward to continuing to make progress and learn more, but we are definitely excited about what the future holds. And we definitely give a lot of credit to masterclass and also the Insiders Group. So thanks, Max.
If you're a brand, an agency, or marketer that's looking to get into TikTok, you should definitely check out Max's TikTok Insiders Group. I'm an affiliate marketer that's new to the industry, especially TikTok, and I was struggling to find some mental clarity in my campaigns until I found Max's group that laid out great foundations and strategies for building campaigns. In this group, you'll find hours and hours of video footage to learn from and endless discussions about TikTok to get you on the right track for whatever you want to build on TikTok.
Entering the official page, which I am leaving the link below, in the description, you can watch and read the testimonials, with more tranquility. I have another very important alert. This training has an unconditional 60-day guarantee, so you can test, and if you do not get results, you can request cancellation. You have nothing to lose. As I said at the beginning, this training is helping many companies leverage their results, and there are many products that are pirated, so are not delivered all the valuable materials that are being made available on the official site. To help you, I left the correct link of the official site in the description of this video. I really hope that this video has helped you and that the TikTok insiders will help you a lot to triple the sales of your company.